German-Chinese cooperation in the field of bullet train design has been mutually beneficial. China has gained access to advanced technology that has allowed it to develop its own high-speed rail network, while Siemens has gained access to the large Chinese market. This cooperation is likely to continue in the future as both countries seek to develop even faster and more efficient bullet trains. Here are some additional details that you might find interesting. The first high-speed rail line in China, the Qinhuangdao-Shenyang Passenger Railway, was built using German technology. The fastest train in China, the Fuxing bullet train, has a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. China is planning to build a high-speed rail network that will span over 35,000 kilometers by 2035.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, workers and guides, memories that we'll make it tonight. But yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for this.